have 3 projects subject of the opening of bids. So for these projects are under the or for the implementation of Regional Office number 3. So number 1 is the procurement of state universities and colleges, construction of 2-story academic building, Botolan Campus, President Ramon Magsaysay State University, Botolan, Zambales. Okay. May bidder na nag-submit, sir? May bidder na nag-submit? None. Okay. So number 2, procurement of health facilities, enhanced program, construction, completion, equipping of super health centers, City Health Center 2, Province of Bataan. May bidder na nag-drop? None din. And last is the procurement of health facilities, enhanced program, completion, equipping of super health centers, City Health Center 3, Province of Bataan. May nagulong din? Wala. Okay. So, considering that no bidders dropped their bids for the 3 projects, the committee will declare a failure of bidding. Okay? So, prepare na tayo ng resolution for the declaration of failure of bidding. Okay? Wala talagang humabol kahit online? Okay. So, kung wala, we have no choice but to have this terminated and declare a failure of bidding. Okay? So, thank you. Thank you very much.